Alright guys, just got her out of the car. Haven't gone in yet. I did a little systems check, which is basically, Soka, come here babes. Sit. Cool. That's my systems check. She's sitting. Hang on, baby. So, I don't have any formal things planned. Just want to kind of take it as she goes. I'm going to let her smell things. I'm going to keep an eye out for people. Good dog, buddy. Good job. And I'm gonna try to talk to you guys. Hello there. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Come on, Soka. That was good, girl. I actually have to pick up a couple of things, so this will be good. First thing first, I'll just go around the whole place and kind of take a look, see what's up. Come on, babe. Good dog. This way, girl. She's trying to cut me off diagonally, just like out of curiosity, so I'm just kind of moving her back to her side here. Good job, buddy. Good girl. It's not the most hustling and bustling place ever, but I'm sure we'll find some people. Good job, buddy. And if you're wondering why I keep saying good girl, it's because right now she's doing exactly what I want. She's behaving herself, doing a good job. Let's see here. Good girl. I found a victim. I'll just go do a little walk by here. That's a girl. And look at her body language. She's feeling confident, but not over the top, you know? Like her tail's not up over her back. She's carrying herself well. Hi, how you guys doing?
Aww.
Good job, girl. Good girl, Soka. Soka, sit. Super sit. Yes. Good girl. I dropped the piece right here, girlfriend. Sorry, didn't mean to spook you there. Come here. Let's get our bearings again. There you go. Okay, come on. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are yourself?
Pretty good. Come on, Soka. Come on. Hello, how you doing? Pretty good. Come on, girl. Good job, buddy. Good girl. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. I know. It's like weird out here, isn't it? Weird stuff, isn't it? She's doing a good job, though. Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, now that I've gone around the store at least one time, I'm gonna look for, what do I need again? I forgot. Let's see, Flex Seal. That's what I need. Sorry guys, I'm not doing a whole lot of narrating or talking. I'm literally looking for where they would have Flex Seal. Soka, sit. Good job. Can I ask you do you guys have Flex Seal?
Yes, I do.
Do you have the spray type?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch. I think it's down number 6 now.
Number 6, fantastic, thank you. Let's go. This way, buddy. Come here. Sit. Good job. Let's see. This is... What a girl. What a good girl. You did so good. Come on. Come on back. Thank you. Good girl. Let's see. Come on this way, girl. Okay. Hang on. Can I get myself situated? Soka, sit. Thank you. Trying to figure out how to juggle all this. Yes. Once in a while, get a little treat. You even eat your treat, girl. Fine. Don't have your treat. She's definitely stressy in the store, but nonetheless, you're not going to build confidence unless we do it. So there's all kinds of people up coming up. Good job, buddy. Soka, sit. Good girl. You can go ahead, sir. Good job. Yes. Good girl. Good dog. Sit. Sit. Good dog.
Border Collie and
It's a yeah.
Bernese Mountain Dog.
It is. It's like
I have
a
Newfies and St. Bernards, so
yeah. You kind of see it.
you kind of.
I think she's like a Bernese Mountain Dog Doodle Aussie something.
Oh, really?
I think you're probably right. You know, it's like a combination I don't always see, and the coloration I don't always see. But she's here for training, so anytime she was in public, she just gets super aggressive and bark and
Oh, really?
freak out, like you couldn't get a word in, kind of a deal. So that's why I'm taking this video for her parents, so they can see like she's been excellent. You know.
So you're a trainer?
Yeah, that's right.
So you have your own company or something?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's called Canine Co-Pilots, and we're just 10 minutes from here.
Yeah. I actually called and talked to your wife.
No way.
Yeah. My two Saints, I have Saints and Newfies.
Mm-hmm.
My Saints are 7 months, 125 pound
Right.
middle linebackers. Now.
Yes.
So if you need some help.
Well, we'll be happy to, man.
Yeah, I was going to.
Good girl.
They're brothers, so I was thinking about taking them in at the same time.
Are they litter mates too? Like same? Oh, that's tough.
Yeah,
Hey, sit.
tough wife.
That's a
I
good
mean, they're good at partnering each other. They're not all tied
When
up.
they're together, yeah, exactly. When they're together for so long, then they call you ever heard of litter mate syndrome?
Yeah, I don't think they have it.
Sit. Yeah, and if you keep them separated a little bit and you work with them individually, that goes a long way.
Yeah, 04561 is what that number is.
I got it, thank you.
Okay.
And did you have a rewards number with us?
Sure. It was
That a girl. Good job. That's a good girl.
What was the name again there?
Candace.
You got it.
Sit.
20, 33.
Come here.
You want
come on. Sit. Okay, this way. There you go.
So you wouldn't take them together,
Yeah, we would.
would you?
Oh, most of the time when you have two of them like that, I recommend doing them together so they can both learn the same stuff.
Right.
They watch each other do it too.
Oh yeah. No, they watch each other sin all the time.
Yeah.
I'll follow up with you, man. It's 3 weeks in-house.
It's 2 or 4 weeks depending on what program you guys go with. She's in the 4-week program because like any kind of aggression or anything like that, it's got to be the longer one. If you're looking for general basic stuff, it's the 2-week program.
Yeah.
But
What's the price on that?
the 2-week is
Yeah.
2,500. The 4-week is 4,000. But we
Dog.
do.
You get a
Yep.
discount for multiple dogs?
You do. You get like a 250 or something like that, or 500. I don't remember. My wife does all that.
Okay.
But we give a lot of support. 3-month support for the 2-week,
I heard
6-month support for the 4-week. So.
I'm fine. I don't want to take any more of your time.
No, you're
I'm fine.
good. Soka, sit.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. See you later. Good job. Good girl. I'll go next. What a girl, huh? Yeah, it's a good girl.
121?
Sit. Super, buddy. Good job. Come on. Come over here. Okay, come on. I gotta pay these. Pay for my Flex Seal. Hold on, girl. We're gonna get out of here in just a second. Sit. That a girl. Hello. 810-730-8665.
And
Yep.
2013.
Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a second. Try to pay for this here. Oh, god dang it. I have cash. Here we go. 20. And I definitely don't have anything smaller than that. There you go. I do gotta invest in a GoPro, huh? Fresh bills are the worst. Come here, girl. Sit. Good job. Good girl. Thank you.
Did you want a backpack?
You know what? Why don't you? Just so I can hold it easier. Normally I wouldn't say it. All right. Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cutie, right? Come on, buddy. Let's go. Look at you, girl. Look at you. You did it. You did it. Good job. Come on. That's better, huh? Good job, buddy. Good girl. Here, bud. Soka. Oh my God. Good job. Well, there you have it, guys. There you have it. Use my awful car. But yeah, not so bad. Not so bad at all. All right.